Hey guys, what's up? My name is Matt from 2D1C, and this is Johnny Panda's channel. Yes, I get to invade this channel today, which is actually kind of fun. I'm a little bit stoned. We're about to do my car, so, you know, this is kind of fun.
Uh-oh. Where'd the camera go? Oh, there you guys are. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the Panda Express train. And here, I'm your conductor, Johnny Panda. I'm going to take you to a ride. Today, we're doing an oil change on my friend's car.
Hi, I'm the friend. I don't know anything about cars. I'm pretty stoned right now. I'm behind the camera. This is my car. We're gonna fuck up so bad.
Oh, yeah. Big time. What's it called? Consuela?
Yes, my car is named Consuela.
Yes, the, no, I think. Anyway, so we're gonna do his oil change today. Before we start anything, we're gonna first, as the Mighty Car Model always says, let's jack up the car. And in my case, it's already done. When you do this kind of stuff, make sure you chalk your put something at least on the wheel, make sure it doesn't move. How do I know this? I've been there.
So this is the stuff that we'll need today as we are going to be doing our oil change for my car. We won't fuck up though. This is Consuela. She is a 2015 Chrysler 200S. Yep. So I forgot my own make and model of my car. Look at my donut. It's such a sad moment when my car has a donut. Johnny, I'd like to ask you a question, buddy.
Yeah, sure.
How long have you been a mechanic for?
Let's see. For many generations. No, I'm kidding. I graduated Lincoln Tech around, I think 2011, 2012. But I was out of it for a couple years. So, but truthfully, about 5-6 years now.
It's amazing. It's amazing you haven't blown any cars up yet.
I actually only blew one.
Oh my God, he blew up his own car.
It wasn't my car. It was actually, I want to say, yeah, it's a customer car, but things happen and human error, you know, shit happens. Yeah, shit happens.
You're Asian, though. You're not human. You're the all-knowing panda. Okay, well, we're looking at an engine.
Yeah, this is the engine.
That's an engine.
Yeah, well, this is just a plastic cover. I don't know why they fucking put that there. You want to see the real engine? No, we're going to do that. We're just too lazy. First things first.
Why you got to tease them like that, man? Don't tease anybody like that. You teased me.
Trust me. Trust me. They want to see a bigger motor. This is nothing but... They could read 2.4. It's a puny engine. To them. But if you had like a fucking, I don't know, 6.2 liter Hemi V8, they go ballistic. Where did you put the funnel?
Right next to you.
Oh. It magically appeared. Now,
magically delicious.
Yes, magically delicious. But if you're, seems to be, what's the word? Adventurous, edgy.
Or poor, like me.
Well, no, let's start with the edgy part first, but we'll get to the poor. If you seem adventurous and seem to take the risk, you can pour it in without the funnel. We're going to go with the funnel. But if you're extremely poor and can't afford a funnel, your next option is drink a whole water bottle, cut the bottom. There's your makeshift funnel.
My name is John and I like cack. I don't know where that came from.
Oh my God.
My name is Johnny Boy and I like dick. How you doing there, kids? Damn, dude, you just like fucking Hulk thumbed it.
Hulk thumbed it, hell yeah. Oh shit.
Jesus Christ, don't fucking spill it.
No, but since you have to go, you're gonna pour.
I get to pour. I'm an idiot and I don't know how to fucking pour.
Don't be the risk taker, man. That's
I have to be the risk taker. I am poor. Words, English left me. Yo, I just lost the whole English alphabet. Yeah, the alphabet. The whole English language. Cool. We empty.
Yeah, we
like
fully empty.
Yes. Like your love life.
Yeah, so that's a whole 5 quart. Now we gotta do the other 0.5.
I'm sorry, John. I'm coming back. I'm sorry. I left again. Yo, they keep abducting me. Abducting?
So, here we go again.
Yo, with the thumb.
I would say green thumb, but this is mechanic thumb.
Ever put your dick in the fucking exhaust?
Oh my God. Oh my god.
I mean, I'm being serious.
I mean, there was one time I had to put a mouth on one, but that's another story.
I'm kind of interested in that story. What the fuck were you doing?
We were trying to.
Why was your mouth being near anything?
My mouth wasn't on it, but my face had to be right at that tailpipe in order to smell. But then, one problem: I can't smell shit. Okay, we finally dropped the car down. Pull the jack out. Don't hurt yourself now. These can be very dangerous. All right, next, now we're gonna reset the oil light. There are two ways of doing this. The first easiest way is simply turning on the vehicle, don't start the engine, and press the gas pedal 5 times. The second way of doing it is going through the menu. Same thing, turn on the vehicle, but don't start it, and just go through the menu and just go through it. It says oil life, hit OK. Oh no, hold OK, and it will reset itself, and then that's pretty much it. And I'm going through the menu way. So here we go. Press hold OK to reset. And boom.
All done.
All right, we're done here. Finally, we're done with the oil change now. Consuelo now can live a long life and continue to drive on the road.
I don't want to.
Oh, now you have to, honey.
No.
Bend over.
No. If you guys like anything video game related, I'm Matt from 2D1C, like I said earlier. So, you know, come over. Stop by. Have a drink. Drink responsibly.
Now we're finally done with the oil change on this car. Definitely come check out my channel to see what I can be doing on the WRX or the Sleeping Panda or my old Toyota Supra, the old school Supra, the Mark II, not the Mark V if everyone's going to go with that. But anyway, definitely check that out. I have stuff for those eventually down the road, but definitely if you want to check those out, definitely hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the future. Peace out.